Hey guys, this is Cam from EasyA. This video is going to be on circle basics and circle theorems. So let's get started.
Circles are one of the most important shapes in geometry. They have one curved side. Let's label some parts of a circle. First we have the centre, which is self-explanatory. The diameter is the length across the circle and the radius is half of this, and the circumference is the perimeter of the circle, the length around it. We can calculate the circumference from the diameter by using this formula here. This letter is known as pi, and it's a constant which should be on your calculator. Let's say we had a football with diameter of 22 centimeters. We could use this formula to work out its circumference. Now the area is given by pi r squared, so let's work this out in terms of the diameter. The diameter is half the radius, so let's substitute this in, and we can see we get pi d squared over 4. Now, let's look at other parts of a circle. A chord is a line formed by 2 points in the circumference, and the segment is the area enclosed by an arc and a chord. Below we have a sector which is created by 2 radii, and we have a tangent here which touches the circle at 1 point. Let's say you have a cake and you cut out a 30-degree slice. Let's find the arc length of this slice and the area of this slice. The cake has a diameter of 10 centimeters. To calculate the arc length, use this formula. This is the angle divided by 360 degrees multiplied by the circumference, which is equal to pi d. Let's substitute in the numbers. Sometimes the question will ask to leave your answer in terms of pi. The answer would be 5 pi over 6 in this case. Now let's find the area of the sector or the slice. This is angle divided by 360 times the whole area of the circle. Again, you might need to leave your answer in terms of pi, but if not, the question should tell you a number of significant figures or decimal places to round to. Now, let's look at the higher level topic of circle theorems. There's 8 to remember. They may seem daunting, but they're not too bad once you get the hang of them. First, let's look at this angle x, which is subtended by the chord at the top. We also have an angle subtended at the centre, which is always twice the angle x. Let's prove this by looking at the 2 isosceles triangles formed here. We know they're isosceles because 2 of their sides are radii. Let's write down 2 equations because the angles in the triangle add up to 180 degrees. Now let's rearrange these. We want to sum up the angles around the point at the centre of the circle as they add to 360 degrees, so let's do this and then substitute our equations for c and d in. Rearranging shows that E is twice the total of A plus B. E is the angle subtended at the centre, so this shows that this is always twice the angle subtended at the circumference of the circle. This is extremely helpful to know and will let us show lots of other circle theorems in the next video.
Thank you for watching this EasyA Maths recap video. Check out our YouTube channel for more maths recaps, or get the EasyA app on the Apple and Android app stores to get unlimited on-demand maths tutoring right from your smartphone.